Welcome back. We just ended with my turn, so I'm going again. Because this one here decided to give me 2 turns. So
it's conspiracy, I tell
you. Targeted attack. I'm gonna go you.
Okay.
Do I have to draw after that one?
No, you get to the attacks let you end your turn without drawing.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me have another browse of my cards. I am going to play Abracrab Lincoln and shuffle the deck. I don't know how to shuffle decks properly, so someone will have to.
Do you need some help with that?
Yes. Shuffle that for me.
Hey,
I command you.
He looks like a robot. What does a robot sound like?
You. Hello, I am Abraham Lincoln. or in 20 years ago.
Abraham's impression shuffle breaks.
You need a graphic for that.
Yeah.
Are you done shuffling now?
Almost.
You don't have to shuffle it that much, dude.
Thorough.
Okay.
7 times and
Good
it's fully
thorough
shuffled.
shuffle.
So the deck is shuffled.
I don't think
I will also play I have my thing upside down, I think. I will also play a draw from the bottom card. I'm going to take a big bite of my coward sandwich and draw from the bottom.
Wow.
That's what it says on the card. And then I have to go again.
Mm-hmm.
And so I'm going to target an attack. I'm going to target you.
What do I have to do?
Take 2 turns.
Oh no, you're fat. I object.
Unleash a shark that hurts with words instead of teeth.
I'd rather be mauled, thank you.
Your nails aren't actually that good looking.
Earlier that I left
Says
your
the
nails.
shark.
Main shark.
It was the shark.
So I have to go twice?
You have to go twice.
Oh god, okay.
Play an action, draw your card, then play another action, play another, draw
You
another
don't
card.
have to do it.
Oh wait, yeah, nope.
Nope.
Oh, okay.
No, that's
I
fine.
nope your nope.
Oh no, you didn't.
Come on, tech. You.
Wait,
Michael, the language out of you.
I got called fat.
wait, I don't
Oh no, you're fat. I object.
think we can use that. Just being the little technicality here, I think it has to be a targeted attack if you're going backwards.
Yeah, attack just
Oh.
goes to the
Yeah.
next person.
Oh yeah, you're just being mean.
It's back.
It is?
Yeah.
Hey, at least you get to go.
So what? Oh, I take 2 turns? Okay.
It's making up for your lost turns earlier.
Just paying my debts.
I learned to
always pay his debt.
I am going to commandeer a bunny raptor to end my turn without drawing a card.
Okay.
And then I am going to engage the hyper goat to end my turn without drawing a card.
Well done.
Wow,
Okay.
I love it.
That was very safe.
that's slick.
I'm gonna alter the future
Oh boy.
to do the card thing.
I
And
like how
drag the
Baker
whole
just
deck
had,
while
like,
you
a
do it. Come
petting
on,
zoo
man.
worth of skip cards.
Did you read what the card says? Stare deep into the bum of a cat wizard and gain an understanding of all things.
I read the cards.
Scared to the
I read the card. I chose
The
not to
bum?
do that.
I feel like that's Dumbledore if he was an animagus.
Yeah.
All right,
Oh my gosh.
I definitely
have-
know that reference.
done the shuffle. The round.
Okay. Oh boy. I'm gonna play a favor card. I'm gonna have you, Shauna, give me a card of your choice.
Okay. Let's see.
The card of your choice, whichever one you like. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I shall now draw a card.
That was the most Canadian thing I've ever seen in my life. Like the level of politeness that just happened here.
And that's the end of my turn.
So I guess it's my turn now. What does it mean when it says that you can? What are this?
That's a wild card that can double as any other cat card.
So, like I could use it as
Yeah.
a triple,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. What does a triple do versus a double?
So double is you steal randomly from somebody else. Triple means you get to choose a card to steal from somebody else.
Ah.
So that also means you get to see their deck
It's nice having a rule wizard.
or their hand rather.
Thank you, rule wizard.
The rule was
I-
has decided.
I think it's
I'm
the
going to
Flick,
pick on
flick
Jake.
Flick and swish.
I want to see your deck and choose a card from your deck.
deck sounds
Does
like a
it
By
very
work that
using
Yeah, with 3.
Does she
with
see
3, because I have
his hand?
Well, she gets to pick the best card in
I
the
have
Oh,
two
I see.
Okay, fine.
2 taco cats, which are also
If
a
she only
paladin.
gets to pick one, I'm happy.
Just one.
Let me just look away real quick because I can see both your
I'm gonna look because I'm dead.
Am I allowed to take like literally any card?
Yeah, yeah.
And
Good choice.
one of, I think it's one of those I stole from Shauna.
That's awesome.
This is uncomfortable.
If you're wondering, she stole my diffuse card.
Was that too evil?
You can never be too evil.
Gotta play to win.
You can never be too evil.
I didn't even get to go into savage mode.
I guess my turn is over then, or do I have to draw?
You have
I
to
don't
draw a
think
card, I
I drew a card. Okay, cool. I have drawn a card. Now Jake hates me. So.
favor. And I'm gonna. Oh, this one was funny. Rub peanut butter on your belly button and make some new friends. Shorna, hook me up.
Okay, so you're.
Oh, you have to give
What's
me a
the
card of your choice.
Oh, okay. You can have this one.
Okay, I am going to play this card just because I really want to read what it says. An
Okay.
electromagnetic Pomeranian storm rolls in from the east, and it is a tornado with a whole bunch of really derpy looking Pomeranians, and it's a shuffle.
Oh my
my
god.
God.
Man.
That might be the best card ever.
Ibrahim, it's the shuffle break. Next impression.
Kermit.
Kermit's my favorite.
Hello, Kermit the Frog here. I'm in the middle of a television show. That's all I have to say about that.
And I will now draw a card.
Participation.
Uh huh.
Oh.
Oh.
It went right.
By the way, it was one I stole from Shauna.
Let's just get the full effect. Boom.
So I guess you get to look at all of my cards and.
have to close my eyes because you're both holding the card.
Oh, that is quite.
Ooh, that's a hard choice.
Juicy.
Is it that hard of a choice?
Juicy watermelon.
Juicy kind of.
I should have known because I saw his deck and I knew that he had 3, and one of them was one he stole from me. And I should have known that he would use it to steal from me what I had stolen from him. But
Just like Game of
Is
Thrones.
that metagaming?
It's
You know, I'm just taking my card back.
you could say that the cards were stacked
Go ahead and draw your
against
card,
him.
Jake.
Draw your card, Jake.
Or me.
That's why you're a pun master. I understand.
So with an imploding kitten, I put it back into the deck.
Yeah,
Face up,
but you can choose where, and you can hide the deck underneath the table so nobody else can see where you put it.
All right.
but don't look at it.
So the imploding kitten just explodes and you can't even.
Yeah,
You-
once
you
it's
can't.
face up, you can't defuse it. It's an instant kill, and you'll see it coming because it'll get revealed by the last person ending their turn.
So you know your death is imminent.
It's so scary, you guys.
I feel like I know where it is.
So,
So yeah, be careful with the
so
deck.
I'm
we
gonna
go.
play a favor card.
Uh-oh.
Jake handed me a card of your choosing.
There you go.
Here you go.
So what?
So Jake,
What happened?
as an additional action, I'm gonna play a hairy potato cat.
Ooh.
I'm gonna.
Oh, wait, hold on. What happens?
Nothing. That's it.
You
You're
can't.
just-
You can't do an action on your next turn. You just have to draw.
Yep.
Dun dun dun.
Damn.
You're going in nudie.
I'm gonna what?
No
Nudie.
protection.
Oh.
Bad message, Shorna.
Then I'm gonna reverse
I didn't even realize the double entendre until I
and
had already
end my
said it.
turn, which means I draw a
Um,
card.
I was just being literal, okay? I didn't mean anything.
So Jake,
Oh my god.
go right ahead.
Dun 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 dun. Okay.
Right?
I was hoping it would be an exploding kid. I was hoping.
I knew it was my turn.
I need someone to wear
Well,
the
I'm
cone.
glad because I
So
thought it was my
bad.
Hey, I'll just wear the cone. I don't care if I miss if
No,
I
it needs to be
didn't point it.
deserved.
Does it have to be though?
So you don't want like a pity. I don't know whose turn it is. You don't want like.
I am.
I will say that I did have a moment.
I'm just gonna draw a card.
I love that moment of like,
The suspense. It's too much.
Oh, Michael.
Don't tell people.
Shut up.
I'm gonna. Can I do this? I feel like I could do this.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Just because I feel like this is just so perfect.
I'm lonely and confused.
he's feral.
Just like me.
No. Yeah. Me.
I'll take him in.
So who do you want to feel?
I'll take him in. You get just because you're a cat lover.
So you're just gonna steal,
I think I
but
just.
you don't get to see.
No, I just get to.
You just take
It's a
it.
mystery.
No!
Oh hell yeah!
No!
And I draw.
Yeah, to end your turn.
Oh, I was looking at the rule baron, but he was preoccupied.
I was trying to
I wanna
like
show off.
make it look less attractive. Like, oh, no one wants that middle card.
I
Oh.
love the middle card. That was a bad choice.
It's my turn.
Oh, I think that counts.
That's a-
Actually,
that
I think that
counts.
counts as confusion.
That was quite a bit.
That was a long delay.
Did you draw a card at the end?
Yeah, yeah.
You wear the cone of shame.
Shame, shame. I don't have to shame, shame. I'm a masochist.
Don't get naked though. No.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Do you need this help?
Oh my god, it's huge.
Rule barrier.
I think it's big, so you can actually
okay,
still play the game.
but you have to turn it so that the arrow faces the correct way.
I can't see it,
We're
so.
going, we are going this way, right?
Yeah.
Right
Yeah.
now? Okay.
Indeed.
Doesn't matter if I forget. I'm not playing anymore.
Now,
The
any
thing
of
is
us
so
can
ridiculous.
forget.
Oh my gosh.
She couldn't see
I was like, look at my cards, everyone. So,
I just got flashed.
I'm gonna take a card. It's not an explosion. So,
Okay.
back up.
Oh no. I'm gonna draw. I'm just gonna draw.
The cone. The cone giggles.
Jake.
You look unwell.
You broke it!
Oh my god, he's crying.
I have never known I wanted something so bad until I received it.
Do you need like a moment?
Should we take a break?
Yeah,
So we can
we'll
calm
be
down?
back after.
I think we need a break.
Yeah. We'll be back after this short mental breakdown.
See you in a bit.
All right, so I'm better now. And it's my turn to draw.
Don't set him off again.
He got literally set off.
Bye.
Let's just put
I'm dead.
those over there.
We were just talking about how hard
Rebecca.
we would have died.
That goes there, right?
Yeah, if it gets diffused, it goes onto the deck again.
Well, I'm so. Can I see your hand? Because I've been dying.
Now
to
that
know.
you're out.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Right?
No pressure, those of us left
Yeah,
in.
exactly.
It's fine.
Now it's a mental game.
Although,
By the way, I have a perfect view of your cards.
Yeah.
Don't
And
look. I've had a perfect view of her cards this whole
Don't
time. I've
look.
stopped looking.
Yeah, I keep accidentally seeing.
what are you
yours
gonna
too,
do
but
about it?
I try to just, you know.
I forget what this one does. What does a hairy potato cat do?
That would be
nothing
an
unless you have
instruction.
2 or 3.
Oh.
Yeah, it's one of the ones you have to double up.
I don't- There's nothing I feel safe doing at the moment, so I'm just gonna draw and hope for the best.
Keep laughing
That
about it.
might not be safe either.
I know, but
Do it.
oh, it was fine.
Just attack him a lot. That's probably a good theory.
I'm gonna see the future, thanks.
You're gonna see the future, thanks.
Yep, I'm very thankful for my psychic abilities. I'm trying to just pick up 3 and do I have to draw?
At the end of your turn, but you
Okay.
can.
If I
Do
want
more
to do
if
something
you want.
else,
You were able to.
I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Yeah, I'm gonna attack Shona just because she's wearing a cone.
Picking on me because of my cone.
Oh, but you don't draw.
Oh wait, don't draw. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I know what that is now, but it's not my problem.
Well, you know what it was anyways.
Yeah. Oh yeah, fair point. I forgot my psychic too.
Go ahead, Shauna.
Oh, so you
It's your turn now.
Wait.
Now
Oh.
you have 2 turns.
Yes.
You have to go twice.
Extra cone.
Okay.
Oh, wait. No, is that the direction of play, though?
Yeah.
Oh, it is
Yes.
going this way? Okay, because the
Yeah.
arrow's going the wrong way.
Is it?
You gotta spin the arrow around.
It just keeps.
Does that mean I have
Rolling.
to flip the? Oh.
There we go.
Now the arrow's going the right way.
There we go.
Because it tells you on the inside. That's why it's so shameful.
Oh. Okay. I
And
get
it's a
it.
constant reminder to all of us.
Yeah, because
Yay.
we can see it on the outside too.
So go ahead and do your
Okay.
turn now.
Okay. I thought it was like you had to flip it. Or I don't know. I'm gonna I'll just do the thing. I'll just.
Draw. You do have to take 2 turns though, so.
Draw the card.
What the?
Okay.
Next turn.
I'm just gonna
Okay.
So
it's muffling your voice.
on my turn, I am going to shuffle the deck. Now, Jake, would you please shuffle for me?
Shuffle break.
And I suppose I have to do a voice now.
I'm an evil demon or something. I don't know.
Oh, you
Oh,
sound
Batman-y.
like. Oh, what do you sound like?
You sound like an evil demon at like a help center.
How can I help you today? Welcome to KFC and Taco Bell. How can I take your order?
No, Inspector Gadget's evil guy. The evil guy from Inspector Gadget. What was his
Is that
name?
the actual result?
Oh,
of the
Dr. Claw, yeah.
Yeah, Dr. Claw.
So,
That sounds like Dr. Claw. I'll get you.
I couldn't help but notice that the end result of the shuffle that Jake performed for me was the imploding kitten.
It's not a good situation.
It's an excellent thing. I've got a skip card. End your turn without drawing a card.
Boom.
Rebecca, it's your turn.
I am going to play. Michael, I love you from the bottom of my heart, and draw from the bottom of the pile.
Hey, did you know the imploding kitten was on the bottom? Because that's where I put it.
What?
No, beforehand. Didn't play. Never mind.
That is neither here nor there.
We're cutting this out of the episode.
Yeah.
Among other things.
All right.
Shona, I love you less, so.
Ow!
Draw from the bottom.
What did I ever do?
You in a cone.
Hey, Shauna.
About that. So, I'm just gonna do a little reverse.
I was waiting to do it. I'm just like, I'm proud.
Does that end the
Turn your cone.
Does that end the turn without you having to draw? It does. Reverse the order of play and end your turn without having to draw a card. Michael, it's your
It's
turn.
all a
again.
game of avoidance, really.
Yeah.
So I can't defuse an imploding kitten.
No.
Alright, well then I die. But I had 2 diffuses, so this is just.
That's what you
What a
get for
waste,
not loving me
right?
as much.
Whoa, okay.
Yeah.
It's getting
Yo,
intense now.
Yo, you savage.
So Rebecca.
Yeah.
There are 3 cards left in the draw pile, and 2 people playing.
We've gotten pretty far.
Yeah.
Wait, there's
Yeah.
3 people playing. I'm still playing.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
Isn't that
Yeah,
something?
My bad. It's. I was just looking at the.
Isn't that
Yeah.
something?
Okay, so it's me now. Right?
It is you.
Does that mean that's all exploding kittens?
No.
No.
You don't know?
Oh, 2 of them are.
Yes.
Oh my
'Cause
god.
there's one less exploding
Oh
kitten
my
in the
God.
pile than there are.
Oh,
You've got that one.
I'm gonna
You've got that.
rub the belly of a pigacorn and see the future. So I get to look at all 3 of these.
Pigacorn?
Okay.
Oh snap.
And I'm gonna end my turn by drawing a card.
Oh, the savageness.
So it's my turn.
Yeah.
I have no cards to play. I shall draw a card. Oh no, an exploding kitten diffused.
But now that exploding kitten goes back in the deck.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
That's true.
Oh.
So having diffuse cards actually
Wherever
doesn't
you'd
guarantee a win.
Oh.
This is intense.
Yeah. Well.
Ooh, that's a
About
bench. Oof.
that. I guess there's no point altering the future when the fates are decided. Because, like they say in Brave, you can't change your fate. So, I guess I'm gonna die.
By the way, she did change her fate. She didn't have to get married.
And then there were two.
Dead. Oh wait, so this goes back into our artificial pile.
No, only if
No,
you
no, no,
diffuse it.
that one.
Only if you
Oh,
diffuse
because
it.
it was.
You
Oh, okay,
died,
gotcha.
So
gotcha.
it's literally who draws the next card.
Oh my
This
god.
is intense.
Ibrahim has
I have
2 cards, and Rebecca has 5.
I'm so nervous.
Back for a sec.
Yes.
Zoom in, zoom in.
So I am going to play 2 hairy potato cats and steal one of your cards.
Stand off of the same tree.
Oh my god.
And now I am going to end my turn
Wonder what it'll be.
and diffuse and put this back in the pile.
Oh!
Now you see, I would play a card, but the only card that I have is a diffuse.
Oh.
And so the card goes back.
I'm gonna play a shuffle.
The card is shuffled.
Shuffle break!
I have nothing for this.
Nothing for your doom? Or is it your doom?
That's my
Yeah. Oh.
Your next line is, I drew an exploding kitten.
I was hoping somehow magically I would pick it up and it would be something else.
Just
you're a magician. Why
Yeah,
did
come on, Jake.
How did
Because
you
I deal with
know, Matt?
elastic
How did
bands.
you know?
What were your
Well-
last 2 cards?
I had a nope, but that doesn't work against.
It
Yeah,
doesn't.
I could have used my nope against him, but I wasn't really thinking, and
And then I
That
have a
would've-
rainbow ralphing cat.
Which is adorable.
Unfortunate.
All right.
But I am the winner.
Ibrahim is the winner. That concludes it for this episode of Nerds at a Table. Thank you so much to Travis for letting us use the space here at Tactical Magic Games. Thank you to Shaw Spotlight for letting me do all this, letting us do all this. And we will see you in the next episode. Bye, guys.
Goodbye.
Grab the cards.
Talkity, talkity, talk.
Help!
Oh my god, I knew what happened.
Cool.
Somebody help!
I knew it.
Grab the paper.
What a
You're a
calamity!
mess.
Do you have any like tissue papers
right
or
again.
paper towels?
It's just rolling around.
Get the cards out of the way.
Just
He has. Oh,
Is
Michael.
that like an old snot rag, as my mom would say?
And also, we're sorry.